Hello, namaste viewers. Welcome once again to MK Chastro Vastu One channel. So we are with a discussion with a very important topic, that is the COVID-19. So far we have covered up all the insights of astrological, spiritual and with the Ayurvedic things. Once again we are with the panel of a team, myself, Jyotisha Vastu Acharya Manjunath here, and along with spiritual teacher our Gautam Ji, Gautam Narayan Rao. Welcome Gautam Ji. And as usual our fellow astrologer Hiral Parik Ji, welcome. And as usual, as I said, our Ayurveda Acharya, Dr. Rupesh Salunke. Welcome to the show, sir.
Namaste.
So, as we are moving to our discussions in our part 2 video, this is the thing like our doctor has been explaining very well about the thing, about what are the things to be taken care. And in Ayurveda, what is the insight for a COVID-19 which is going on. So the first thing I want to have a little chit chat with the doctor. Sir, please tell our viewers like what are the precautions to be taken as per Ayurveda for this pandemic disease.
See, the Janapadadvamsa Vyadhi or pandemic is considered, or the basic factor responsible for that already we have discussed in last lecture. But Ayurveda start telling it's nothing but it's because of adharma.
Okay.
When we start following, when we start doing all the deeds which are against dharma,
Okay.
then this kind of diseases usually happens.
Okay.
So we should follow some rules, regulations, customs, traditional deeds. So amongst that, the spiritualities more should be focused,
Okay.
so that the positive energy will be built around you.
Okay.
And the Rakshasa which are present in the form of viruses
Okay.
will be destroyed completely. So Ayurveda tells very holistic approach against this disease. Already since so many years, number of people are following Agnihotra. So we know that Agnihotra is nothing but at the time of sunrise and sunset, usually specific puja is done
Okay.
with rice and cow's ghee.
Okay.
And the puja which is done at the time of sunset and sunrise,
Okay.
especially it starts very positive energy around you.
Okay.
The fumes which are formed in it at the time of Agnihotra, they start disintegrating, they start destroying
Okay.
viruses present in the air.
Okay.
So that's most important thing. Even Ayurveda gives explanation about Rakshogna Gana.
Okay.
So Rakshogna Gana, it contains certain drugs. If we do dhupana of this drug daily in the morning and evening,
Okay.
then the viruses present in the houses will be disintegrated. The viruses present in the environment around you will be disintegrated.
Okay.
And the viral free zone will be prepared. So for that, especially Vekhanda, Haridra,
Haridra. Okay.
black pepper, that is called as the Krishna Maricha,
Okay.
even Devadaru, Dhanyaka,
Okay.
Sunthi. So these are the drugs
Okay.
which are used in the form of Dhupana Chikitsa.
Dhupana Chikitsa.
Yes.
Yes, doctor.
So it's more important, it's more beneficial to clean the air around you.
Okay.
Then the next one is water, which is especially beneficial to boost your immune system, which should be medicated. So certain formulations are there, certain drugs are there.
Okay.
If we treat the water with that drug, automatically
Okay.
the water will boost your immune system.
Water will act as immune system. It is good for immune
Yes.
system. You may say. Yes, doctor.
So what we have to do, we have to boil, we have to, throughout the pandemic, everybody should have slightly warm water, because
Okay.
warm water itself try to destroy the viruses which are lodged in your throat,
Okay.
which are present in your oral cavity, which are around your air pipe. They get destroyed as soon as you start taking warm water. The viruses which are present in your body gets destroyed. Even along with that, you can have treated water. The water is
Okay.
to be treated with sunthi,
Shunti. Okay.
dhanyaka,
Okay.
musta, one of the herbal drug it is,
Okay.
parpataka or pitta papada, that is also one of the herbal drugs.
Okay.
So this is called as a Sharanga Paniya, which is especially more beneficial for fever kind of diseases.
Okay.
That
Okay.
is called as the Shadang Paniya. The six
Chadan
drugs
Pani.
are there.
Yes.
Mutta,
Yes.
Parpata, Shweta Chandana,
Okay.
and Nagarmotha, Sunthi. So
O-
these are very important herbal drugs, especially all these herbal drugs are antiviral in nature.
Okay.
Even they act on your digestive fire, so
Okay.
that your appetite will be intact after taking this medicated water.
Okay.
Even already we have seen certain videos regarding tea is more beneficial to reduce inflammation of your alveolar, that is lungs.
Okay.
But Ayurveda
Mm-hmm.
gives idea
Mm-hmm.
about herbal tea,
Herbal tea.
which
Okay.
contains sunthi,
Okay.
dalchini,
Okay.
even tulsi patra,
Okay. Uh-huh.
even ilaichi, that is ela,
Okay.
then lavanga,
Mm-hmm.
and krishna maricha, that is miri.
Okay.
So if you prepare the
Okay.
decoction of these drugs,
Okay.
it's very beneficial.
Okay.
It will destroy the viruses present in your body.
Okay.
Even it will act on your digestive fire to improve
Okay.
it. And
Mm-hmm.
even it gives good immune system, good immunity of your respiratory tract, so that the
Yeah.
viruses will not affect
Okay.
on your body.
Okay.
Even one small remedy I would like to add in it.
Okay.
In everybody's home, we can get mustard oil.
Yeah, doctor, I am coming to it. As you are rightly said, it sounds to be interesting when we are keeping of hearing about Ayurveda. When we go up for an English medicines, there will be many medicine for headache. It is a different medicine. For taking fever, it is a different medicine. So as you are telling essence, we are getting more interest for hearing in this. So our add-on question will be: what were the home remedies for this pandemic? What are the home remedies for this coronavirus?
So the home remedies already I told you to have a decoction of these drugs.
Yes,
You can
doctor.
have a rice water.
Okay.
You can have a mudga yusha, that is made up of mudga, which is a
Okay.
very good. Uh, everybody have their home.
Okay.
Then we can have vegetable soups
Okay.
that are properly treated with ginger,
Mm-hmm.
garlic, and
Okay.
even the leaves of onion.
Mm-hmm.
So exactly what it does, it boosts your immune system. They are very light in nature. They can easily get digested in everybody's body, and they
Okay.
improve your digestive fire. Even it try to improve the lung functions, especially.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
Yes.
That's most important.
Yeah.
Correct,
Even
doctor.
I would like to add in it, everybody can have mustard oil at their home.
Mustard oil.
Simply, you
Yes.
please make it warm.
Okay.
1 or 2 spoons of mustard oil, make it warm, and
Mm-hmm.
apply on your chest.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Okay, doctor.
Okay. So what it does, it's very sharp and hot in nature. and
Okay.
itself very mustard oil. If you smell it, you will get very sharp nature of smell it has, and
Okay.
itself disintegrates the viruses around you.
Oh,
Okay.
Itself
okay.
disintegrates the viruses which are present on your body surface.
Okay. Sounds
And
interesting,
after the
doctor.
massage of mustard oil, you must
Okay.
apply the hot water back on your chest and back,
Okay.
so that if
Mm-hmm.
the hidden inflammation is there, if the mucus which is lodged in the alveoli,
Okay.
the cells of your lungs,
Mm-hmm.
automatically with that application of mustard oil and giving hot fermentation of hot water back,
Okay.
immediately
Okay.
you will feel more free. The respiratory discomfort, if you have, definitely it
Okay.
starts reducing.
Okay, fine, doctor. We have given lot of set of remedies for our viewers. Our viewers might be happy and they are blessed enough to receive all the suggestions from the astrological side, Ayurvedic side. It's our pleasure also to make a video about this. Last but not least, the question, doctor. Many consultations for our astrologers, like how to make the time pass and how to handle the mental stress by sitting in the home. Due to the government
Okay,
policies in India and all over the world, people are under stress due to their work stress, due to their financial stress, and somehow having the physical stress also for sitting idle in a home.
okay,
Is there
okay,
any
okay.
tips from your side for our viewers to handle these kind of things?
Yes, first of all, see, when the government is asking you to be locked down
Okay,
and maintaining social distance, not coming out of your houses, it does mean that they want to make you stress free, especially.
okay,
They are giving you sufficient time to have a proper amount of food, to
okay,
have a proper amount of sleep, to communicate with the family members. So, in fact, we should enjoy all this because these factors are more responsible to make positive energy around you, to make you more stress free. And if you are thinking that to be idle in the home is itself is stress inducing, then it's really wrong thinking, I should say, because
okay,
this is the ideal time where you can enjoy with your family members. You can have a number of uh, uh, home remedies, recipes which are prepared by your home house members. So we should enjoy it. You should do pranayam, yogasana. And the most
okay,
important factor is that if you are thinking that being at home is stressful itself, then try to divert your attention, try to
okay,
read some books, try to
okay,
do some chanting, try
okay,
to do some spiritual rituals like parayana or
okay.
mantra jap, or you can start listening music also. That is called the harshana chikisani. It is
Okay,
more important to boost your immune system. Harshana chikisa means to be stress free. Most
okay,
important factor it is, and
okay,
it's one of the most important element in Ayurveda to boost your immune system. So everybody should be more happy at their home. Even I would like to tell number of videos which you can watch in media that in ICU patients, in ward patients, some doctors are dancing with their staff in front of the patients because
oh,
they
sounds
want to make them
interesting,
happy.
doctor. Okay.
Because they want to make them happy, isn't it?
Oh, okay, okay,
Even in Germany, even in Japan, even in China, number of hospitals are there.
Yes.
And
okay.
in wards of the patients, they are maintaining a very happy environment.
Yes, doctor.
So I mean to say that everybody should be happy in this because itself will boost your immune system.
Okay, okay. Fine, doctor. It's a very good insights for you from Ayurveda. As we have been some viral video, viral WhatsApp messages like somebody is saying like if you can't go outside, go inside kind of thing. So as rightly Doctor Sir has told about lot of remedies, I request our viewers to go through this video slowly. If they can't get any of the words, go it repeatedly and those things. Last but not the least, our spiritual insights for this COVID-19, how to overcome this with spiritually and mentally will be explained by our fellow astrologer Gautam Narayan Rao. Yes, over to you, Gautam ji.
Hello, viewers. So, this is a very challenging time. So here, many people may think that temples are closed down, places of worships are closed down. What to do with spirituality? Let me tell you that spirituality is more of connecting the spirit within you. It's
Yes.
nothing to do with religion. It's all the belief system. So the spirit in you should be proper. And this is a great opportunity where nature has given to reset ourselves and build ourselves in proper way. Okay? This is a great time for greater insight and recheck what is required for our lives and apply what is required. So there are many things which is not that was not required that has come to the automatic filtration. So nature has given a wonderful opportunity to rethink and reassess our desires. So that is one thing the spirituality is aligned with. So you should have dreams and you should work towards dreams. But at the same time, when the desires will come down, automatically the human race will be more happier. Right? So spirituality is being at greater level, and it is a assertiveness and how happy you are. Okay? The more happy you are, the more energetic you are.
Yes.
So this is the right time to reassess yourself. So you can do in many ways. So rejuvenate the life skills and just rethink over your hobbies and what you wanted to do for these many years where the time was not permitting. So just start with those hobbies and think with your heart. This time is more of with your heart, connecting to your heart. So even with the astrologically, now this whatever the Rahu transit and Grahana, there are a lot of videos. A lot of videos. So whatever is happening is more of connected with two chakras. One is Anahata chakra, that is heart chakra. Okay, I'll just share the picture for your comfort.
Okay.
Anahata chakra and Vishuddha chakra. So the more of these things are operating now. So when Rahu is sitting in third bhava of Kala chakra, it denotes that kantha area, that is throat area,
Yes.
and chest area. That is where the problem is happening. Okay?
Yes.
Correct.
So one is Anahata chakra that denotes love, and one more is a throat chakra where there is a filtration will happen. So maybe Dr. G will explain, or he knows. He already has explained a lot of things. So
Correct.
that is how it operates. All these glands, and this heart denotes universal love. Okay, when you are angry, when you are, too much of happiness, these chakras will operate. Similarly, the Vishuddha chakra will filter out the unnecessary things. That is called Visha. That's why Nilakantha, Shya will have this blue Visha because it will get filtered here. And from this angle, left part of the brain will control right part of the body and right
Yes.
part of the brain. So this is where it gets controlled and filtered.
Yes.
So that is where this happening. Even this virus Rahu. So people will take different angles. Yes, many things are happening, but many good things are also happening. When we concentrate on this chakra, Anahata chakra and Vishuddha chakra, and meditate on these chakras, will help to develop greater love, greater compassion, and more happier. And this happiness is the greatest strength, as Dr. G mentioned. If you are more happier, other things will go away. And we concentrating on Vishuddhi also, any problem in your throat, that will get dissolved. So there are a lot of meditators are there, meditation videos are there. Try to meditate more and connect to yourself so that internally you can connect to the Lord or the Almighty, and even your spirit and spiritual level will improve. And once you reach this level, other things will automatically be taken care.
Yes.
So very interestingly, this Ayurveda, our rituals, day-to-day activities, spiritual activities, and day-to-day lifestyle, everything is connected. So maybe this is the greatest opportunity to go back and rethink what we want and what our planet Earth wants. And also there are many videos shared, okay, all over the world, that we share this Earth. We don't own this. That is the greatest message, okay, we are getting out of this. And one day this will dissolve, this will go away, but it's the greatest opportunity to rethink and reassess ourselves.
Yes.
So be more happier and do whatever is good. That is a simple approach to improve your spirituality. And you can also chant there are powerful mantras, like Hirilji said. There is a simple mantra I can recall. That's a Narayana Mahamantra. Om Achyutaya Namaha, Om Anantaya Namaha, Om Govindaya Namaha. This is a very powerful mantra, wherein now the mercury, whatever is happening, it's in throat area, this Anahata chakra.
Yes.
This will activate, this mantra will activate these two chakras. And it is happening through Rudra. This is called Rudra. That's where Rahu is operating. The right point we can rejuvenate, and we can improve the energies of our heart and as well as throat region. So,
Yeah, so nice.
Very nice.
So any more thing from you, Gautamji?
I think that this is enough. So the most important thing is there are a lot of practices. Okay.
Yes.
Just to be happier and healthier and spend more of me time. It's the greatest opportunity to involve. And depression is a very bad thing. So we should not go to the depression. So many people may think that lockdown is because it's okay, fine, no problem. There are many things we can do at home. That you have to realize. And anything should not be done with the compulsion. Even these spiritual practices should not be done with compulsion. Should be done with love, greater love and respect.
Correct.
And if you are enjoying it, please continue.
Yes.
Otherwise, be happy. Just chill.
Exactly.
That's a simple rule.
So I'm happy, like lot of positive insights. It's happened to be like Trikon kind of system. We are telling an astrological insight, myself and Hirilji, and doctor is connecting through Ayurvedic knowledge, and our Gautamji has connected with the spiritual knowledge. It acts like a triangle, and main thing, it's like in a Trikon Bhava is timely Bhava, as we explained in our last videos also. So I request all our viewers to completely see this video and go through in detail. Any more thing is required, if any, regarding consultation, any more doubt, they can mail us. Regarding Ayurveda consultation, to connect to the doctor also, you can mail to our office address, so that we can directly connect to the doctor. For any spiritual insights, you can connect to Gautamji. And regarding consultations and training inquiries, whichever we can cover so far, it's not a motive of making anything, it's a motive of making for awareness for general public and to help one and all. It's like in Hindu tradition, Sarve Jano Sukhino Bhavantu. We are following those traditions with our videos. So I thank viewers for viewing this complete video. Do subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, so that you will receive all the day-to-day updates in the coming days. Thank you, viewers. Namaste. Hare Krishna.